So today I'm going to show you how I make my garlic and parsley loaves. So here I have 12 cups of flour already sifted, and yes, people always sift for the flour. And I have half stick of butter here, 1 cup of milk and some garlic. So this is warm. I just warm it for about 30 seconds in the microwave. And I add 3/4 package of yeast. 3/4 of this is about this remain back in the pack. And I add 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. A 1/4 cup of white sugar. Now I'm just going to mix everything. So I add a 1/4 cup of parsley, and yes, I do mix my flour and parsley and garlic together in my dough. And now I'm going to add my butter and milk and mix a little bit. And I'm going to hot some water, because I always use hot water to make my dough. Not hot that you cannot be able to mix, just hot, just warm enough so you can mix your dough. And I'm just mixing it in, everything. Mix, mix, mix. Okay, so this is what it will look like. You see all the parsley, how it looking in the flour. And now I'm just going to create a well and add my warm water. That's enough. And mix. And now I'm going to mix and form a dough. So I form a little dough, and you do not need to knead this flour too much. You see how I knead it here, and it's soft, and I just rub a little oil on top of it and on the bowl, and I'm going to leave this to rise. Some of the loaf that I finish, and I just mix some butter and parsley and garlic and paste it, well, brush it on top of my loaf. I made some hops too, and I just wanted to cut one and show you the inside of them. You see all the parsley inside the dough itself, so you get any flavor of the parsley, the butter, and the garlic.